Hello, this is Adnan from Karachi. My vision for future is a bullet train between Karachi and Bombay, bullet train between Karachi and New Delhi, bullet train between Karachi and Dhaka, bullet train between Karachi and Tehran, bullet train between Karachi and Mecca and Medina, and bullet train between Karachi and Kerbala, bullet train between Karachi and London, bullet train between Karachi and Tehran. Very beautiful. Karachi needs to be connected with Bombay, with New Delhi, with Tehran, with Mecca, Medina, Kerbala. I love Karachi. 40 million people, consumers, are in Karachi, and they would love to travel to Bombay every day and come back every day, go to Dhaka and come back from Dhaka. I love Karachi. Bullet trains from Karachi to Bombay, from Karachi New Delhi, from Karachi to Tehran, from Karachi to all London, Karachi to Paris. Love Karachi. Beautiful weather, sunny day, 365 days, sunny days. Evenings are beautiful, weather is perfect. And I request all my friends to visit Karachi. Love you all.